Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Call of Duty mobile game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up to the Call of Duty mobile game using your Facebook account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty mobile game on your device, and once you open it up, the resources will begin to download and initialize within the background. Once the loading is completed, you will be taken into the main menu. You will now see various different login methods. Just tap on Sign in with Facebook. And if you're logging in or signing up using your Facebook account for the first time, this will open up the Facebook application, and you will need to tap on the Continue As button in order to allow access onto your Facebook account. Once your access has been allowed, your game progress will be linked with your Facebook account, and your sign up will be completed as well. You will then be taken into the main menu, from which you can start joining various different matches and enjoy the Call of Duty mobile game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up using your Facebook account on the Call of Duty mobile game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.